Hello, today I will guide you on how to highlight a target cell in Excel. Select your data range, go to the Home tab, then click on Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. Choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. To highlight the selected row and column, enter this formula. Click on Format, choose a fill color, for example, light green, then click OK. Create another new rule and enter this formula to highlight only the active cell. In this second rule, choose a different fill color, for example, orange, then click OK. To make the formatting update automatically when selecting a new cell, add this VBA code. Right-click on the Worksheet tab, then select View Code. In the editor, change General to Worksheet in the drop-down. Enter the VBA code that updates the formatting when the selection changes. Close the editor and return to Excel. Now, when you click on any cell, the entire row, column, and cell will be highlighted dynamically. And that's it. Now you know how to highlight the selected row, column, and cell in Excel dynamically using conditional formatting and a bit of VBA. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.